What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting. It's a great way to relax and express myself.
Do you like coffee or tea?
Prefer coffee in the morning to kickstart my day.
What's your favorite season?
I love fall because of the crisp air and beautiful leaves.
What's a movie you love?
One of my favorite movies is Inception. The plot twists are amazing.
Do you have a favorite book?
I really enjoyed reading The Alchemist recently.
What's your go-to snack?
My go-to snack is usually some fresh fruit or nuts.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
I'm definitely a dog person. They're so loyal and playful.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like to relax by watching a good movie or reading a book.
What's your dream vacation spot?
I'd love to go to Japan for its culture and scenery.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the beach. I love the sound of the waves and the warm sand.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to indie music. It's soothing and often very creative.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking and trying out new recipes.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show right now is Stranger Things.
Do you have any siblings?
I have one older brother who's really into sports.
What's your favorite sport?
I'm a big fan of soccer. I love playing and watching the games.
Do you like to read?
I do enjoy reading, especially thrillers and mysteries.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. It's a time for family and joy.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake is my favorite dessert. It's always a treat.
Are you an early bird or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl. I find I'm most productive in the evenings.
What's a fun activity you enjoy?
I like going for bike rides or exploring new places on weekends.
Do you like to travel?
I enjoy traveling. It's exciting to see new cultures and landscapes.
What's your favorite restaurant?
A great restaurant I like is a local Italian place that makes amazing pasta.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I don't play any instruments, but I'd love to learn the guitar someday.
What's your favorite kind of weather?
I like mild weather, so spring and fall are my favorites.
Do you prefer movies or TV shows?
I prefer TV shows because I like to follow a story over multiple episodes.
What's your favorite snack?
I usually have a handful of almonds or some dark chocolate.
What's your favorite app?
My favorite app is probably Instagram. I love seeing photos and updates from friends.
Do you like to dance?
I like dancing, even though I'm not the best at it. It's just fun.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
One of my favorite childhood memories is building forts with my friends.
Do you have a favorite quote?
A quote I love is, "Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken."
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I enjoy hiking in nature. It's a great way to stay fit and enjoy the outdoors.
Are you into video games?
I do play video games occasionally, especially strategy games.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip is my favorite ice cream flavor. It's refreshing.
Do you prefer city life or country life?
I think I'd enjoy living in the city for its energy and activities.
What's your favorite time of day?
I usually enjoy spending my free time on a good book or exploring new places.
Do you enjoy shopping?
I'm not really into shopping. I prefer getting things done quickly.
Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe now to improve your knowledge and press the bell icon to get more English improvement videos. Once again, thank you all.